Motorcycle taxi operator MOVEit denies violating government rules after transport regulators move to suspend its operation in areas like Cavite, Cebu, and Cagayan de Oro. The LTFRB claims MOVEit exceeded the 15,000 rider limit under the pilot program for motorcycle taxis, but the company says it has stayed within that cap. If the suspension takes effect, up to 14,000 riders could lose their jobs. Our mobility correspondent G. Baroga returns with the details.
Motorcycle taxi player MOVEit is pushing back hard against a new order from the LTFRB, insisting it has been fully compliant with the rider cap guidelines set by the Technical Working Group. The regulator has ordered MOVEit to halt operations in Cebu and Cagayan de Oro and to cut down its rider base in Metro Manila, citing a violation of the 15,000 rider limit. But MOVEit says that's simply not true.
Since maging bahagi kami ng MOVEit last August of 2022, nagbase kami dun sa MC Taxi Guidelines na nakasaad noong November 24, 2020, which was all players will have an allocation of 15,000 riders each.
The company has filed the motion for reconsideration and is asking for dialogue, not discipline.
Open kami for dialogue with them, sa mga kinauukulan. At nang sa ganon, mabigyan po natin ng solusyon, agarang solusyon ito. Ang gusto lang ho namin talaga rito ay magkaroon ng pagkakapantay-pantay na pagtrato sa lahat ng MC taxi players at masigurado na magpapatuloy ang buhay ng aming mga riders.
According to MOVEit, 14,000 riders now stand to lose their income, 8,000 in Metro Manila and 3,000 each in Cebu and Cagayan de Oro. The company vows to fight for them.
We will definitely stand by our riders. Tutulungan namin sila hanggang dulo. Kung saan man makakarating ang aming paghingi ng tulong, gagawin po namin yan para lang maipakita na talagang sinusuportahan namin yung mga rider namin.
BNC Mobility sought comment from the DOTR but has yet to receive a response. For BNC Mobility, G. Baroga.